Hi all, you're watching the tutorial for Coca Cola Tu. Let's get started. Move your body back and forth, leading with the right foot. 1, 2, 3 and pause. We're going to use that right hand to make a circle with 3 counts, and on the 4th count, throw your hand up. Shoulder rotates from side to side. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. The next step, we're going to place that left hand behind our head, bend and sit up, and then strum the guitar, pumping our left heel, just like that. Use your chin to move up and down. Once again, sit and strum with the chin going up and down. Now let's put it together. Go right, 2, 3 and up, left, 2, 3 and up. Strum the guitar, 2 pumps, strum the guitar, 2 pumps. Good job. Now let's learn the core step. Bend slightly, knees bent, and step touch 3 times from side to side with a small pop. The pop heel comes off the floor gently. Let's use our arms, snake it side to side, and when you jump up, throw your hands up. 1, 2, 3 and up. 1, 2, 3 and up. 1, 2, 3 and up. Good job. Now we're going to take that left hand behind our head, draw a line with our right toe on the ground, dragging. When you draw the line, the first step is going to be standing tall. Second part, you're going to bend slightly. Make that 4. Good job. 4 times. You're going to walk back with a pump 4 times. Point the left finger and the right finger. Left is going to stick out further, and you're going to make a circle, just like you're casting a spell. One more time. Gently walk back with a pump and move your fingers in a circle. Let's put it together. Draw the line 4 times. Walk back 4 times. Good job. Here's the chorus step. You're going to clasp your hands, stick the index finger out just like that. Going to go low, and from the bottom to the top, snake it, moving your middle in a curve. Good job. Then you're going to take that right leg back, lean back, and then pull forward. Again, lean back, pull forward just like a bow and arrow. One more time, go low, come all the way up, snaking the finger, pull back and forth like a bow and arrow. Good job. The next part of the step, you're going to tighten your core and go side to side. You're going to take small step and then push out your hip to the side, come back to the center, do the same thing on the other side 4 times. Your hands are going to face the belly, pull all the way up to the head, flip out, make a nice circle and end by your side. So that's total 4. Use your chin to move side to side. Go side, small, side, big, and small. Let it follow your feet. Good job. One more time, let's put the whole step together. Snake and bow and arrow, and now side step. Second time, third time, fourth time. Good job. The hip hop part, you're going to tug on the rope with your right, lean forward, and make sure your back is straight. Tug, tug, turning your body all the way, bending down, and then flick to the right and flick to the left. One more time. Tug, 2, 3, all the way down, flick right, flick left. For the next part, make sure you have a wide stand and raise that heel up while your knees poke out. And use your hand to go single, single, double from side to side, starting with the right side. Then you're going to pretend to put your hands in the pocket, rotate your body from side to side, starting with the right. On the 3rd count, jump up, raise your leg. The leg that's raised is going to take the next step, and again, you're going to turn your body side to side. So let's do this one more time. Right, right, up, right, left, up. Good job. And you're going to do a couple of these. Let's put the whole hip hop part together. Tug, 2, 3, 4, flick right, flick left. Give me single, single, double. Again, single, single, double. Now turn, 2, 3, leg up, turn, 2, 3, leg up. And now you're ready for the dance along.
सलोनी अदाएं मनमोनी तेरी जैसी ब्यूटी किसी की भी नहीं होनी ठंडे की बोतल में तेरा अपना रख जगह चला जिवें चलदी मशीन नी तू 24 घंटे देखती है स्कूबी डूबी डू हले रहन दे तू ना बोली आई लव यू पहले खोल ले तू बोतल गलियों में पै जावे रोला यू के सारे तुझे बोले कोका कोला तू